The RS64 was built to perform under extreme conditions. An internal shock reduction system allows recoil from a semi-automatic modern sporting rifle platform up to .30 caliber. It sports a military standard 1913 LaRue tactical quick detach mounting system. The housing sits very low, less than 1 inch from the Picatinny rail, making this a very accurate, flat shooting thermal rifle scope. In order to zero the RS64, first you need to know the buttons you will be using. These are dual power calibration button, zoom in menu navigation button, menu button, and zoom out menu navigation button.
When zeroing the FLIR 60mm, we're going to use the center button for the menu, select it. Once you get into the menu, you're going to use the down arrow to tab down to setup. You're going to use the main menu button again to select setup. Tab down to zero adjustment. Use your main menu to select. From here you'll select either horizontal or vertical. I need to move my point of impact up, so I'm going to select my vertical, zero adjustment. Again, select it using the main menu, and then I'm going to use my up arrow to move my point of impact up. Once I've got the correct elevation, I'll use my main menu to accept and click back, exit out, back again, and then exit. When zeroing your rifle, you first want to start out at about 25 meters to make sure that you're on the paper. Fire in the hole. As you can see, we're a little bit to the right, so we're on the paper. We're going to patch the hole, and we're going to go ahead and move back to 50 yards. And our point of impact we were trying to gain is right here, center mass at the bottom of the hot pad. All right, we've backed up to 50 meters. At this point, we're going to take up an aim point of center mass of the white hot pad. We expect to shoot center mass low 1 inch of the 2x4 hot pad downrange. As you can see, we hit high right again. We're going to go ahead and cover this point up. I'm going to make a left correction and a down correction because I want my point of impact here. So I'm going to do about a left 10, down 5. Based on that shot placement, we're going to go ahead and go into our menu and make a correction. Tab down to setup, and then tab down to zero adjustment. We're going to make a left correction, a horizontal correction, and we're going to do a left 3-0. Then we're going to make a horizontal correction to vertical correction to a down 9, and let's see where that shot will take us. Again, we're going to aim center mass of the white hot pad. Fire in the hole. As you can see, we've moved left about a good 8 inches. We still need to come left another 4 inches and down 3 inches. So we're going to cover this up, go back and make our third correction. All right, we're going to make our third correction here. Enter the menu mode. Going to setup, tab down to zero adjustment. Make another horizontal correction. I'm going to take it down to a left 45, we're going to go make a vertical correction, and we're going to do it down 15. Okay. Continue to accept, back out, and exit. Fire in the hole. And as you can see, we've brought it left. We've got it at the bottom of the hot pad at 50 meters. So at 150, that's going to put us center mass. At 200, we'll be a little bit high. But for zeroing purposes, we're centered on the 4-inch hot pad and right at the bottom. So that rifle is now zeroed. We'll tape it up and move on to the next.
Lance and Chris start the night reconning a field that has fresh crop damage on it. It doesn't take them long to find their first pig of the night.
All right, I'm ready. Okay, on 0. 3, 2, 1. Safety's on. Okay, take your safeties off. Okay, on 0. 3, 2, 1. Safety on. That's a pretty good sized pig. I knew this little cut was over here. I had a feeling if that pig left over there, this is where it came. Thanks, buddy, you too. Yep. All right, powering down. We've got a Texas heart shot on mine right now. That's one on the right. Are you ready? I'm ready if you are. On 0. 3, 2, 1.
This segment successfully demonstrated Chris Monhof zeroing the FLIR RS64 60mm thermal sight and the dispatching of 4 feral pigs that were destroying a farmer's peanut field. The use of thermal technology should be considered an important asset to your integrated wild pig control program.
Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment or learn more about the methods and technology needed to better control feral hog populations in your area. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view our entire instructional video series. Once online, keep clicking and like the JAGERPRO Hog Control Systems Facebook page. If you have a story idea or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to send us a message through Facebook or email us at info@jagerpro.com.